Hi, my name is Emma, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about MemoryLift before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about MemoryLift is be careful with the website you're going to buy because MemoryLift is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is MemoryLift and does it actually work? The answer is yes. MemoryLift has helped thousands of people who were mentally exhausted, struggling to concentrate, and terrified of cognitive decline. And it will work for you too. After many laboratory tests, researchers identified a natural formula with powerful ingredients like ginkgo biloba, bacopa monnieri, DMAE, L-theanine, and vitamin B12, and more. These components work together to fight memory loss, mental fog, and attention deficit, problems that silently steal your productivity, focus, and long-term brain health. If you feel like your brain just doesn't keep up anymore, MemoryLift was made for you. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people getting incredible results with MemoryLift, and you can too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you stay realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test MemoryLift for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if your focus doesn't improve, if your memory doesn't feel sharper, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you 100% of your money back. Also, for MemoryLift to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have transformative results after 3 months using this product consistently. Also important for you to know, MemoryLift has no side effects since it is made from clinically tested natural ingredients. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're going to buy MemoryLift from. And also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment and take it seriously. Remember, your results will be very different from anyone else because your organism reacts in its own unique way. I really hope this video helped you. And I also hope that MemoryLift actually helps you reclaim your mental clarity, focus, and memory, just like it has improved the lives of thousands of people around the world.